Parallel browsing. Parallel browsing allows you to compare two passages side by side. There are three options under parallel browsing. 1. Browse any two texts side by side. 2. Browse two texts with the option to highlight the similarities between them. This option is an expanded version of the n-grams feature. 3. Compare two editions. In cases when the TLG has more than one edition of the same text, this option allows you to compare the two editions and quickly identify the differences. Parallel browsing. Browse any two texts. This option allows the user to browse two texts side by side. First, you enter the author in both boxes and select from the work list. Normal navigation can be used to move to different sections of the text. Font size can be increased. Click on the double arrows to expand one of the texts right or left. Parallel browsing highlights similarities. This option allows the user to browse any two texts and see similarities between them. By clicking on the jump icon, the page will move to the next similarity, which will be highlighted. The left-hand side text is considered the source text. If you use the navigation to move to another section of the text, the right-hand text will adjust accordingly. Parallel browsing, compare editions. This option allows the user to compare two different editions of the same text. The drop-down menu provides a list of texts that exist in the TLG in multiple editions. It is expected that this list will grow over time. Once you select an author and work in the left-hand menu, the other edition will immediately appear in the right-hand section. The icon, when clicked, provides bibliographical information about the two editions. Parallel browsing, compare editions. The search engine identifies and highlights the differences between the two editions. Jump will move to the next page that contains differences. Normal navigation also applies. In all three types of parallel browsing, when you click on the double arrows to expand one side of the screen and temporarily remove one of the passages, right or left, the page essentially functions as the regular browser. You can click on any word to obtain morphological information and links to lexica.